Welcome back, guys. This is Tim from TK Contracting. Today we're at Crystal Beach, Ontario. We're doing a full reno and an add-on. Let's come check it out. So here we're at Crystal Beach. This is an old house that we're converting into an Airbnb unit. So our client was using this as a summer cottage, but now he wanted to generate some income out of this property. So we are doing an Airbnb conversion. So to do that, we need fire separation. We also had to reframe the whole building because this building was so old, the foundation was sinking. So we had to rip off the whole floor, re-level, sister the joists, fix everything, and then resheet the floor. Because it's an old house, you really have to be careful when you buy an older property. The plumbing was done so wrong. The gas was all done wrong. There were a mixture of all kinds of joints and pipes and copper, rubber. So whenever we head into a problem with gas, we had to change the whole gas line. We had to change the whole plumbing, water supplies. We had to change the whole drain. We had to change everything in here. Even an electrician, he came in, gave a quote. But once we pulled out the flooring, he found out lots of mistakes, underground electricals. So he had to do another quote to fix all those, to revise and fix all those problems. So when you buy an older property, be careful. Let's take the tour now. Okay, so we're at one of the bedrooms. This room will be the first bedroom. There's going to be another bedroom, another one behind. So 3 bedrooms in total, which is good for Airbnb properties because when you go to an Airbnb with your friends, you do want separate bedrooms for each family. So for Airbnb properties in tourism areas, we do recommend multiple bedrooms. We redid all the windows. All the windows are new. The electrical panel is upgraded to a new one. We did all the wirings. All the wirings are new. All the plumbing's new. All the flooring sheet are new. It was all saggy and it was uneven, out of level. So we had to level everything. So this property is over 100 years old and it was built on a block foundation. It sank over time and all the floor was bumpy and out of level. So what we had to do, we put a laser beam and we had to sister the new joist on that level onto the old existing joist. While we were doing that, we found out the nails that was holding the joist was getting very weak. So we had to add another block beside it to fill those weak spots. While we were doing it, we also added some blocking to make the floor more stable. Some people might just pour self-leveling concrete to make it level. It's very important to open up everything, diagnose all the problems, and fix everything, do it properly, and cover it back. So this is the kitchen. The older kitchen was at the back, so we're moving all the plumbing to this side to make this into a kitchen. We'll have a new stove, big island here, and L-shaped cabinets. So the original kitchen was on the other side of the house. Now we're bringing the kitchen on this side. So the new kitchen will be an L shape with a big island, but we had to redo all the plumbings because we're moving the kitchen. When we moved the drains, we had some hard time getting the slope because the original drain was far away from our new location. So we had to work on the drains. We had to redo the whole drain to make that slope. Also the water supply. While we were doing the construction, we started this construction in the winter and water supply pipe was frozen and it got bursted. So we told our client about it and the client decided to change the whole water supply, which is a very wise thing to do. You don't want that happening when everything is done. So it was good timing. It was actually lucky that we found out while the floor was open. So we redid the whole water supply system here with our plumber. And now everything is new. We are worry-free of that happening again. Behind to the kitchen, it will be a living room. So open concept, kitchen, dining, living with 3 bedrooms. And on this wall, we'll have a TV mounted so that whenever you're enjoying time together, you can watch TV, and in your bedroom, it'll be nice and quiet. We're also adding 2 bathrooms here. The original bathroom is back here, but we're adding another one just for the convenience. And that's part of the reason why we're doing the addition, because of the bathroom, our front porch, and the mudroom is really small. So our client wanted to make an addition add on to the house to make the space bigger. So we're building a small addition at the back. Main reason for this is fixing the roof. So all the foundation was done wrong. So the walls were sinking, causing the roof to break down badly. So while fixing the foundation, the client decided to make a small addition to add some space at the same time.